For my behavior change project, I am focusing on developing reading comprehension skills through the use of sight words. An article that I used for learning activity 3 as well as my behavior change project is called Teaching Word Recognition to Children with Severe Learning Difficulties, an exploratory comparison of teaching methods. The author of this study is Karon Shi. I am sure I am mispronouncing that name. The purpose of this study was to compare 3 different intervention methods that focus on sight word recognition. These interventions included the handle technique, the morphing method, and the word alone method. The hypothesis of this study is that there would be significant trends across the methods in the number of words recognized by each participant. This study used a 3-condition related design. The independent variable of this study was the use of specific vocab and sight words. There were 12 total that were used throughout the 3 different interventions. The dependent variable is the 3 different intervention methods that were used, which are the handle technique, the morphing method, and the word alone method. The conclusion of this intervention is that the morphing method and the handle technique were the most successful for sight word recognition. Between the two, the handle technique was the most beneficial and most successful overall for all 6 children in this study. Some of the limitations of this study is that the sample size was incredibly small, which had 6 children. Another limitation of this study was that the children were said to experience severe learning difficulties, but it was not stated if they had been diagnosed with a learning disability. So that has been left unknown, which is a limitation to this study. I enjoyed this article because I did not use any of these interventions for my specific behavior change project. So it was interesting to see the comparison of the 3 different methods as I used none of these methods for my own behavior change project.